What's up, everybody? So today I got some really cool news. I got something, and you're gonna have to wait and see what it is. But I got two boxes, about yay big. That one's a little bigger. It is for the truck, and let's do an unboxing video. Here we go. Alrighty, got my handy dandy knife here. Let's dig into this. This first one is probably gonna be a hint to what it is, but that's okay. So, looks like got some gaskets of some sort. If you know, you know. Oh yeah. Shiny. I believe this is a T4 hot side for something that's in the other box. Yep, AR 1.25. I believe T4. That's sweet. It's got the V-band connection. Alright. There's that. Put those back in there. Oh yeah, this one's heavy. Oh. Might have to move the camera a little bit. Get the whole dealio in there. Alright. I haven't opened it yet, so I'm super excited. Oh yeah, that thing is freaking sweet. Holy smut, this thing is sweet. Alright guys. Oh, there it is. This thing's a freaking monster. Oh. That's for 75. Oh yeah, this thing is huge. I got it rebuilt from a guy that's local. I'm gonna have to give him a shout out. Boy, that is freaking sweet. Got the good old Borg Warner casting. This is a T6 flange. Let me pull the other one up real quick, and then we can compare. T6 and T4. Yeah, there's a big difference. But there it is. There's the new turbo for the red truck. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll get another video up when you do the install. Thanks for watching. Please stay tuned for more. Please comment and rate and subscribe.